Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2014 Ford Focus and I will show you how to connect or pair your phone via Bluetooth. This video should apply to Ford Focuses made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, I will also add before I start that this video applies to these Focuses with the small screen. If you have like a large screen here, the process will be a bit different. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to press the phone button here on the dashboard and the radio has to be turned on before you do that. And now you will get this connecting message. Now you will get this message only in case there is a couple of phones connected to these vehicles in the past. And now to skip that, you just want to press the down button to get to the menu, right? If you don't have any phones connected paired in the past, then you will get to this menu right away. And now if you scroll through these options, you want to select add Bluetooth device. If you select connect Bluetooth device, again it's gonna try to connect to the previously paired device. So I want to select add Bluetooth device and press OK.
Press OK to begin pairing a device.
And just like the lady said, you want to press OK to find the sync.
Search for sync on your device and enter the PIN provided by sync.
Okay, now I will continue to record this video by recording the screen on my phone. Okay, so first thing what you want to do, you want to turn on the Bluetooth on your phone, and that should get you to this Bluetooth menu. Now I have a bunch of paired devices here, so you want to scroll all the way down to available devices. Now the sync should show up here. You can see getting device name. This will be the one that I'm seeking. Okay, so this is this Ford Focus sync, and I'm gonna press that and start the pairing process. And now I have to type in the pin that's displayed on the vehicle's radio. It's gonna be 692965 pair. And it's
For
here
your
at the top.
safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Now you'll have a couple of
questions
here if you
audio,
want to give access to your messages.
Audio in the media menu.
I'm gonna say deny. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Connector for calls and audio. So this means you can make phone calls via Bluetooth and you can listen to your favorite radio as well. Okay, now on the screen you will also have a question set as primary phone, yes or no. I'm gonna say no on that, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.